Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's OP video update for Wednesday 10th of August. Alright, so yesterday I actually talked about OP and where the hell OP can actually retrace to the downside, and so far we've seen OP retracing to that particular level, and that was the fib retracement down here. So if I take the bottom to the top of the fib retracement, we already have been bouncing off the 0.618, and that's pretty good sign right now. Okay, so this does look like an amazing entry potentially to start to move once again to the upside, and I'm gonna dive into the 1 hour time frame here, and let's see what kind of pattern we're trying to print. So this does look like a bottoming structure right now on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so that's pretty much the end of the correction. So if you do actually come below 1.596, then that's going to be terrible. Okay, so you're going to be looking for a bigger drop to the downside for OP at the moment. Now that you're breaking out of this, some sort of a pattern right here, when I tell you the next technical target, almost an inverse head and shoulder if you're diving into the 15 minutes time frame, but at the moment you're breaking out of that place right now, then you're looking to come up to the 1.845, and that's going to be just a small push to the upside. At the moment, that's going to be like 7% move to the upside. Now, which actually takes you back to this, particular resistance level. So you got to keep an eye on this one as well. So you might be actually coming up to that particular resistance, and you might get rejected, who knows, to this level right here. But I highly doubt if you're going to be rejected because of how you have the technical targets to the upside. Now, $4 is still a technical target nonetheless. It's just that I don't know how it's going to get there, when it's going to get there, but it should be getting there as long as we're not coming down to the 1.363, and that's previously what I said. All right. The next impulsive move, actually, if we do take the fib retracements now, just the same way we actually went down for the retracement to 1.6 level, and that was the golden ratio at the moment. We're looking to come up here to the 1.22 at the moment, and that's going to be the 0.382 on the fib retracement. What you want to see for the coin itself is it actually climbs up to the 0.618, sorry, to the $1.973, come a little bit down here, back test, and we're good to go all the way up to the 1.618 level. Okay, and that's going to be like the $2.7 at the moment. So it seems like we've already done the ABC corrections, right? So if I do take you back to the wave theory, this was your nearly, some sort of like the first wave here, the second, third wave, fourth one, and then you had the fifth, followed with an A, B, and then the C correction, and now you might be looking to put in another big leg to the $2.7 and potentially throw your weight all the way around to 4.3, which is a technical target out of the rounded bottom that I showed you previously. And that's it for today's update on OP. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.